it's horribly early in the morning, 4:30 a.m. to be exact, a time which no one should ever be awake. But today is the first day of the ECHO User Advisory Group launch event, so we have to be up this early. Doing one last check of all my stuff. Wanted to make sure I had everything before I left. Doing one last check of my stuff. Wanted to make sure I had everything before I left. My wife's lavender, I can't even say purple, it's pretty much lavender. My wife's lavender carry-on bag so that everyone in the airport can question my heterosexuality. A 10-pack of travel tissues to deal with this sinus issue that my daughter was so kind to give me from school. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys when I get back. What? Silly, you can't come with me. I know some other YouTubers may have brought you with them, but I don't have the kind of money to spend on all those extra airplane seats. Actually, you know what? Hey, give me just a second. Alright, just hear me out, okay? I promise, there's more room in there than it really looks like, okay? You've got to trust me. This is the only way you can come with me. Alright? Now, I don't know how you feel about tights, but here, we'll just try it out first, okay? Alright, see? Nice and nestled. It's not too bad, right? Was it, you say something about being claustrophobic? I was sorry. It's the only way I'm so. Alright, that wasn't too bad. We got Kevin here, and we snuck you into ECHO. Check it out. Now that's a vending machine right there. That's nice.